Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Paytm, manage wallet and payment step by step clearly. First, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your device. Search for Paytm and confirm the developer name is 197 Communications Limited before installing. Install the Paytm app and wait until the download is complete. Tap the Paytm icon on your home screen to launch the app. Select your preferred language if the app asks you on the first screen. Tap the option to log in or sign in on the welcome page. Enter the mobile number that is registered with your Paytm account. Double-check the country code and the number to avoid login errors. Tap Continue to request a one-time password, also called an OTP. Wait for the OTP SMS to arrive on the same SIM card phone number. Allow SMS permission if prompted so Paytm can auto-read the OTP. If auto-read does not work, type the OTP manually exactly as received. If you do not receive the OTP, tap Resend OTP after the timer ends. Create or enter your Paytm passcode if the app asks for it. Enable fingerprint or Face ID login if you want faster and more secure access. Go to the home screen and tap Balance or Paytm Wallet to view your wallet amount. To add money, tap Add Money and choose a debit card, credit card, or bank account option. Enter the amount you want to add and review any fees shown on the screen. Confirm the payment using your bank OTP, PIN, or authentication method. To send money, tap Scan and Pay or Transfer and choose the correct recipient method. If scanning, allow camera access and scan the QR code carefully. Enter the payment amount and add a note if you want the transaction description saved. Review the recipient name, UPI ID, or phone number before confirming to avoid mistakes. Tap Pay Now and complete any PIN or passcode verification required. To check payment history, tap Passbook or Balance and History from the menu. To manage saved payment methods, open Profile, then Payment Settings or Bank Accounts and Cards. For security, turn on App Lock, set a strong passcode, and never share OTPs or UPI pins with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.